to start doing these building in public updates. Essentially, it's just a quick little recap of what I was able to accomplish with whatever project I was working on. In this case, you guys are looking at JJ, which is a new roadmap SaaS product I'm building. And essentially, you can create your own roadmaps, and then you can follow other roadmaps. And let's go ahead and actually preview this. So I'm logged in, and I have, for testing purposes, obviously, if I'm the creator of ZoZo roadmap, I'm not going to also be following it. That doesn't make sense. But in this case, ZoZo is the other product I'm working on. The reason why I'm building JJ is for these products, for ZoZo and for Clava X. And essentially, I'm building JJ right now in Bubble, and I can go ahead and create. I gotta fix that, which is an easy fix. I mean, I can just come in here and just make sure that it's above this. And what else? Oh, let me see. Here we go. Let's preview this. So yeah, now this should be working. Yeah, see. We're gonna click out. But I'm still learning Bubble. There's a lot to learn. I'm still probably not even close to kind of what finished product, because I have to make this responsive on iPad and mobile, which is gonna be a huge challenge. But I'm definitely ready for it. I'm hyped to learn more about Bubble. It's been great so far. But if I do want to show you guys kind of like a little sneak peek of JJ in action. So the reason why I want to create this interactive roadmap product is because, one, I definitely feel like Web3 could capitalize off of it since they're so community heavy. But on my end, I mean, I'm creating two products: ZoZo, which is an iPhone, iPad keyboard shortcut app, and then Clava X, which is just essentially you're streaming explicit content. But both of them are going to have communities, right? So my goal is to bring the community into these roadmaps. There will be one for Clava X and one for ZoZo, and they'll be able to vote on features. They'll be able to talk with other community members. They'll be able to comment on features. They'll be able to suggest features, and they'll be able to visually see the features going through the journey roadmap, the journey of development, honestly, into actually being pushed into the actual live product. So when I go ahead and click this, it's going to take us to ZoZo's roadmap. And I got some styling issues. I still got to move this over. I got to make sure this is aligned. You got to make sure this is white background. But this is essentially showing me I can unfollow this roadmap. Obviously I'm not going to, because I created it, but that's where this would be. This would be a follow button if I didn't follow it already. I can suggest a feature, nice little animation. Again, I have to make sure that this is on top of everything, and I'm going to add this animation to creating a roadmap as well. But you can go ahead and suggest a feature, and essentially they will show up in columns here. And I'm working on getting this to work so that I can start giving permissions to the creators of these roadmaps to be able to essentially move things down this column. Just a bunch of stuff. Really excited. I'm just going to keep giving these types of updates. I really want to build in public. I want to show you guys some raw footage of just me in the nitty gritty, just grinding this out. And I hope you appreciate it, and see you in the next video.